As you know that we are surrounded with air. This protective covering or blanket of air that surrounds the earth is called the atmosphere. It is this blanket which makes the life possible on earth. Our atmosphere is about 300 kilometers thick. Do you know why mountaineers need oxygen mask while climbing high up? It is because breathing becomes difficult as we go higher. This is due to reduced oxygen. Atmosphere or air is thicker near the ground and becomes thinner as we go up. That means even oxygen gets lesser as we go higher. Now you may think, how atmosphere is kept near the earth's surface? It is because of earth's gravitational force. Our gravity man holds it near the earth's surface. Is the atmosphere same throughout? No. We can divide it into several layers according to its characteristics. The first layer of the atmosphere is made of the gases that we breathe every day. This layer is called the troposphere. The troposphere is the layer that we live in. It is the layer that provides most of our weather. The stratosphere is the next layer of the atmosphere. This is the layer where most of the jet planes fly. It starts at approximately 10 kilometers and goes to approximately 50 kilometers high. The top edge of the stratosphere is abundant with ozone. What is this ozone? You know, ozone is a form of oxygen. Ozone is produced naturally in the atmosphere. The ozone layer is very important because it stops too much of ultraviolet rays getting through the earth. These are the rays that cause skin to tan. Too much of these rays can also cause skin cancer and also harm plants and animals. Life on earth could not exist without this protective shield of the ozone layer. Above the stratosphere, there are other layers like the mesosphere, followed by the thermosphere, and finally the exosphere. This we shall study in detail later. Why is atmosphere so important for life? It filters the intense sun rays so that it is not too hot during the daytime. Otherwise, the earth will become a hot ball of fire. At night, it prevents heat from escaping so that it is not too cold for us. It might become freezing cold without the atmosphere. So we can say our atmosphere is our protector. The atmosphere protects the earth in one more way. These meteorites are the particles from the space entering the earth's atmosphere at a very high speed due to the earth's gravity. Once they enter the atmosphere, they burn up and fall as dust. So we are protected from the destruction because of the atmosphere. Do you know the space is absolutely silent place? Why? Because there is no atmosphere in the space. So there is no sound. It's the air which carries sound waves. This lets us hear voices or listen to the music or any sound. So atmosphere is very important for listening. Now we know air is very essential for all the living beings and should be clean. But today it is full of dust, smoke and harmful chemicals. Air in cities with many vehicles contain harmful and poisonous gases. Air near the industrial areas has lot of smoke and dust. This polluted air is not good for living as it is bad for our health.